In the realm of human potential, there exists a capability so fundamental, yet so elusive, that it separates extraordinary performers from everyone else. This is not just another skill, it's a different way of seeing reality itself. Welcome to Seeing the Matrix, the Science of Pattern Recognition. I'm Dr. Sarah Chen, and today we're going to explore the hidden architecture of reality that exists all around us, if we know how to look. In the quietest hours of the morning, when the world still sleeps, something remarkable happens to the human brain. The neural pathways that allow us to recognize complex patterns become uniquely accessible. This is why elite performers across fields, from traders to artists to scientists, often begin their most important work before dawn. The reason is simple but profound: signal-to-noise ratio. In these early hours, before our minds become cluttered with the day's chaos, we can see patterns that remain hidden in the noise of normal consciousness. Let's break down what happens in the brain during pattern recognition. 1. Initial perception. The brain receives raw sensory data. Information flows through neural networks. Unconscious processing begins. 2. Pattern detection. Neural clusters activate in specific sequences. The brain compares incoming data with stored patterns. Recognition centers light up when matches are found. 3. Conscious awareness. The pattern emerges into conscious awareness. The aha moment occurs. Understanding crystallizes. What's fascinating is that this process happens differently in pattern-aligned performers. Their brains show lower energy consumption, more efficient neural pathways, faster pattern recognition, and greater pattern retention. Let's explore the three distinct states of pattern recognition capability. 1. Unconscious detection. This is the default state for most people. They occasionally stumble into pattern recognition, leading to random moments of insight, unpredictable performance, limited practical application, and inability to replicate success consistently. 2. Conscious recognition. This is the first level of mastery, characterized by intentional pattern seeking, reliable access to recognition states, systematic application of insights, and consistent performance improvement. 3. Integrated mastery. This is the highest state, featuring automatic pattern recognition, continuous access to insights, universal pattern application, and exponential performance growth. What makes pattern recognition truly revolutionary is its universal application. The same neural mechanisms that allow us to spot market trends also reveal market patterns, price movements, volume fluctuations, trend formations, cyclical behaviors, social patterns, behavior trends, group dynamics, cultural shifts, social movements, business patterns, industry cycles, innovation waves, market opportunities, competitive dynamics, personal patterns, learning curves, relationship dynamics, growth cycles, performance trends. Now we come to the critical part of our discussion. The ability to develop pattern recognition is not constant, it's declining rapidly across the population. The data is sobering. In 2020, 60% of people could develop pattern recognition capabilities. By 2022, this dropped to 40%. In 2024, only 15% retained this ability. By 2025, projections show just 5% will maintain this capability. This decline is driven by several factors. 1. Digital overload. Constant information bombardment. Shortened attention spans. Fragmented focus. Reduced deep thinking. 2. Neural adaptation. Brain rewiring for quick switching. Decreased pattern sensitivity. Reduced recognition capacity. Weakened neural pathways. 3. Environmental factors. Increased stress levels, sleep disruption, cognitive overload, attention fragmentation. The good news is that pattern recognition can be developed, but only within a critical window. This window typically spans 6 weeks, during which the brain either establishes stable pattern recognition pathways or loses the capability permanently. The divergence between these paths is dramatic. Pattern-aligned path. Exponential skill growth, increasing pattern sensitivity, expanding recognition capacity, accelerating success rates. Traditional path. Linear skill development, decreasing pattern sensitivity, limited recognition capacity, plateauing success rates. Developing pattern recognition requires a systematic approach. Morning sessions from 4:30 to 7:30 a.m. include 1. Neural calibration, 30 minutes, brainwave alignment focus stabilization pattern sensitivity activation. 2. Pattern recognition training, 60 minutes, market pattern analysis behavioral pattern study system pattern identification. 3. Integration practice, 60 minutes, pattern application exercises recognition state maintenance real-time pattern tracking. 4. Feedback analysis, 30 minutes, performance metrics review pattern sensitivity scoring integration velocity assessment success in pattern recognition development is measured through 3 key metrics. 1. Pattern sensitivity score, PSS, measures ability to detect subtle patterns tracks recognition speed monitors pattern complexity handling. 2. Recognition state duration, RSD, measures time in recognition state tracks state stability monitors access reliability. 3. Integration velocity rate, IVR, measures pattern application speed tracks integration effectiveness monitors practical implementation it's crucial to monitor for signs of development issues. Pattern sensitivity decline. Decreased pattern detection slower recognition speed reduced complexity handling increased error rates recognition state instability. Shorter state duration difficult state access inconsistent performance state maintenance struggles integration velocity problems. Slower application speed. Reduced effectiveness implementation delays practical difficulties let's explore how developed pattern recognition transforms different fields. Trading and investment. Market trend identification risk pattern recognition opportunity detection strategy optimization business leadership. Strategic pattern analysis market evolution prediction competition pattern tracking innovation opportunity spotting personal development. Learning pattern optimization growth cycle recognition relationship pattern awareness. Performance pattern leveraging as we look ahead, the importance of pattern recognition only grows. Emerging trends include AI integration with human pattern recognition, enhanced pattern detection tools, neural feedback technologies, and pattern recognition augmentation. Future applications encompass predictive analytics, complex system management, innovation acceleration, and performance optimization. For those ready to begin their pattern recognition journey, start with 1. Schedule adjustment set early morning routine create quiet training environment establish consistent schedule minimize distractions. 2. Tool set up neural monitoring equipment pattern recognition software performance tracking systems feedback mechanisms. 3. Baseline assessment initial pattern sensitivity test recognition state evaluation integration capability measurement performance metric establishment the patterns have always been there, woven into the fabric of reality. What's changing is not their existence, but our ability to see them. As digital acceleration rewires human consciousness, we stand at a crucial juncture, a moment where the capability to recognize these patterns is becoming increasingly rare and increasingly valuable. The choice is yours. The window is open, but it won't stay open forever. The question is not whether patterns exist, they're everywhere, governing everything from market movements to human behavior to the very flow of opportunity itself. The question is, will you learn to see them? Because in the end, seeing the matrix isn't just about pattern recognition. It's about seeing reality as it truly is, and understanding your place within its hidden architecture.